Hey there. For this workout, all you're going to need is a barbell and with plates on it if needed. Okay, so the first exercise, you're going to do 10 reps of each exercise, and it's a deadlift. So place your feet. We're going to do a deadlift, and it's overhand grip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to do high pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next one, push press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place the bar on your neck. Back squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, push up. On the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 rounds for this workout. And there it is.